Hold on. Hey, can y'all hear me? And I'm trying to be kind of quiet because there are people like sleeping on the other side of me. Like I'm. Welcome, traders. Hello to episode 490 or something of the most scuffed stream ever. You're witnessing history. Hold on, music's loud. Jeez, still. As always, right? That's never gonna change. Hold on. Still loud. Jeez, dude. It's almost muted. Okay, that should be okay. Again, dude, super scuffed. Look, man. Hey, man, how you doing, dude? Hey, give me a microphone next to my body, man. Dude, this is ridiculous. I don't even know how I'm doing this right now. God. Okay, so good to see you, everybody. We have hit. Oh my God, damn, is that, dude? Look how scuffed the tip jar is. It's so laggy, dude. The CPU, GPU can't handle the processing, man. Oh my God, dude. I'm sorry. Can I please get some feedback on how scuffed this stream is? Okay, Dan and Melissa, thank y'all. I freaking love y'all. Dude, y'all have no idea how much it hurt today. Out of all days, right, for things to go on, the day that we run up to the 1618, the golden mean ratio. I have family obligations that it's fine, no big deal, but still, I can't believe this, man. I can, but it's just beautiful. Hey, you know what's happening, right? This is a real-time, fantastic textbook bearish crab pattern at near entry, okay? On the crab, you must have a 1618 fib extension for a valid one. It's so tough, man. I'm on one monitor. I've never streamed on one monitor in my entire life. So more history here. On our first pattern, we did not hit we hit the 886, we exceeded it, we ran up, we hit the 1272 before selling off. Here in this situation, the 1618 we touched it and acted Jesus, man. All day we've been running, all freaking day. And dude, it's too perfect. It's too perfect. You see this blue line that you can barely even see it right there? That is the 1618. We're at it, man. That is where one, if they were Kang of the shorts, would be shorting at that area. Okay, 58.98. You're already down to 57.91. But the problem, the problem kind of is, man, there's really not much divergence unless you want to say high on price. There was a higher high on price. There was slightly lower levels of relative strength. Okay. Dude, I don't even know, man. I don't even know what's happening right now. So there was some ever so slight bearish divergence at 80 something on the RSI extreme prices. And hey, man, how do we get the targets? Okay, thank you so much, Fibonacci, for showing us the way. Showing us that we hit the entry target for the short. And I understand we have broken out. Oops, sorry. We have broken out of the crazy upsloping channel. And this is Binance. This is the tether chart, okay? So this may not be like, we'll look at Coinbase too. We're going to look at all of them. Mr. Crypto Cocktails Grid, man, thanks so much, man, for the super chat, dude. Hold on, let me, what's happening here? What is this, man? Oh, dude, Crypto Cocktail Chris, man, thanks for the $5 super chat. He says scuffed, super duper scuffed, man, beyond scuffed, all right. And I do apologize for the lack of quality of this stream. All right, it's my bad. You make do though, man. Okay, you make do with the travel streams. Anyway, okay, so let's just say that was it, man. We've hit the target for shorts, and this is for the sake of education, man. This is for the sake of education. All right, we're going to do this thing. Let's get our targets for a short. If you could short the US dollar tether chart, Bitcoin to the tether chart. I don't think you can, man. I might be crazy, but all right, dude. How do we do this? Critical. Hey, forgot to even talk about. Do you see these magenta trend lines? They're not there for fun. They're not there for kicks. They're not there to pleasure you sexually or not even sexually in any way. They're there to show you that it's a critical resistance point on the tether chart, okay? And this is how I plotted these on the daily. So these are like candle closes and stuff. What's happening? What?
You are the king of kings, Mitch. I'm so thankful you keep coming back to help me grow as a trader. Even during Cousin Connect. So tired of the rich maze out there trying to show me their monetized ad revenues.
Dude. Hold on. I got this. Let me go to my... crap, dude. So many different things I have to manage. Okay, hold on. 2 seconds, brother, man. And let me just say thank you so much, man, for the 420. Is that a joint? Or, is that a joint? Contribution depends on if you want Scuffed or proper Elon. All right, hold on 2 seconds, man, so I can get to my recents on Streamlabs. Remember, if you're not tipping cryptocurrency, the best way to do it is probably Stream Elements. Because it's easier because I have to have multiple tabs open. Super Scuffed. All right, recent events, loading. Kevin Taylor, man, thanks so much, dude, for the 420. Well, I'm happy to hear, and I'm very honored that you're growing. Okay, empowering others is life, man. Okay, so one day, Kevin, man, you're learning, you're getting better. Hopefully, you're gonna be able to instill what you've learned to others. And so, like, if it starts with Bulkowski or Gartley or Charles Dow or whoever starts with Steve Neeson, man, Mark Douglas, it doesn't matter. It starts with them, and then we take the knowledge that they've given us and we try to expand their knowledge outward, because not enough people know about it, right? So it's just this everlasting ripple effect. No XRP, no pun, no kappa. All right. So of course, man, yeah, dude, monetization via ads and stuff like that. Of course, man, it's stupid, but I'm just grateful that I have a community behind me that has made it a reality where I don't have to do that, man. So many other content creators have to do it because they don't produce enough value to get enough. They don't make enough because they're not giving enough out, right? Most people are just, what do they call it, Bradford? Content readers, not content creators. Okay, thanks for the content reading, dude. Okay, so thank you, Kevin, man. And GXRP, thank you, dude. Greg Morgan, is that a joint?
At Lord Ray, I appreciate the info. Cheers.
Cheers to you, bro, man. Cheers, dude. Dude, you sound terrible. This tip, look, you see it falling in the tip jar. It's like slow-mo, want. It's like you're on the marijuana itself when it falls there. But sorry, man. Sorry, everyone. Let me get back to it. Didn't mean to get on a tangent there, but as you can see, we're at critical resistance points, hardcore, parkour, and we're at the 1618 fib extension, XABCD. You're there. All right. Again, if we were going to look for targets on some sort of bearish crab pattern, oh my God, man, we're having a GXP, man. Thanks for the 2 again, bro. Thanks, Dave. Much love. Dude, thank you. All right, bearishly Harambeing with 2 hours and 4 minutes left on this candle. All right, if one was to take a short, just for the sake of education, because seriously, I don't think you can short the US dollar tether pair, man. Sean Hunter, man, thanks so much, dude. He says, thank you for sharing all you've learned with us. Hey, man, it's freaking my pleasure, man. Nothing greater in life than making others learn it. Okay, and it's not the fact that y'all didn't want to learn or whatever, but dude, there's so much information out there. It's just really hard to find somewhere centrally to like learn it all, right? And so like over 7 years, I've just been learning all these weird different things about trading and charts all over the place, everywhere in the vast deepness of space of internet or cyberspace, and it's all come together. And I'm just happy that I'm able to like consolidate all that education that I was given, right? And now I'm able to, from the consolidation, I'm able to like give it to you in a much more condensed and friendly way, right? That's just not like, oh God, what is he talking about, dude? I go listen to this monotone scrub talk about Fibonacci. No, you can listen to me talk about it, and we can have fun with it, right? So thanks, dude. Really appreciate that. Sorry. First target on a short would be 56.24. Second target gonna be at 54.50. Yes, 54.50, man. Third target gonna put you down. I don't know, man. Like, right, 886 puts you outside of the upsloping channel, doesn't it? Critical thinking. Would that be a good third target? Would the best third target be maybe the 786, or maybe just slightly below the 786, right at the bottom trend line of the equidistant channel? But then it could be argued that, dude, that might just be the beginning. After this, we might bear pull, bear flag, and then sell off and then break this to make major retraces. But as it stands now, clearly we have no effing idea if this is the major swing high. So we can't even swing high, like, you know, swing low all the way down from December 15th, 2018. We can't even swing high yet because we haven't retraced at all. So this is the short-term short position that is probably the best play for the situation. Clearly anyone buying right now is like, I don't care, dude. I don't care about the risk. I don't care about the reward. I don't care about anything. I'm just FOMOing. That's what people will be doing right now, dude. Come on. Dude, once we pivoted here, come on. You know we talked about we should expect higher prices. Look where we went, man. We just didn't know exactly where we were going on the higher prices. 886 is seated, 100%, 1272, and now the 1618 on a slight breakout of the equidistant channel. Unbelievable, only to hit crazy, crazy resistance above us. Okay? So that's really what's happened on Tether. The way we look at it is like that. Okay, hopefully you got a little bit out of it. It's really for the sake of the education, so you're becoming more learned and you're able to identify a bearish crab pattern, and you're able to now see how we target. This is education, man. Targeting. Once we hit that entry for the short of the bearish crab, look, this is just like Ethereum. Ethereum did the same type of pattern. It went way too high though on this one. Way too 458.9%. Hey, look, 589. There it is, dude. That's way too high. 3618. You should not ever be exceeding a 3618 retrace. But we sure as F did. But again, it was the 1618 that did us in. So to see us break above this much higher for now, it seems crazy, dude. You're asking for a pullback of some sort at this price range, okay, man? And so, again, when we're asking for the pullback, it does not mean we're screwed. It does not mean we're going to zero. It does not mean we're going to 4,000. It just means there is a good possibility we could run down and retrace to 56.28, 54.50, and or 53.10. All right, that's all it is. The wave, it seems, is probably done. There's a good possibility just because we know how fib extensions work, right? So that's it, man. And I'm sorry, I haven't been able to look at chat any. I apologize. All right, so let's do that for a second. If y'all are cool with me, man. If we're all cool together. And again, I apologize about the Scuffed stream, but it's like the only way I can do it, man. I'm like literally sitting in a bed right now, and I should be sleeping because I gotta wake up at like 7 a.m. for more stuff, dude. Because my cousin got commissioned today. You follow me on Snapchat, you saw that, and I think I posted it in Discord too, I don't know, but like, he's graduating tomorrow, like from Auburn. So hold on, dude. Holy crap, that's a lot of chat. My bad, dude. Oh my god. What's up, Mr. Meme, dude? Zach Dems, Cal Capone, Mr. Punk, Iran, Russo, Nikki Fap. What's up, dude? Yeah, fail indeed. Super fail on my side. I'm sorry. Iceberg, Mr. It's Just Zero, dude. Welcome. Crypto Toyga, what's up, man? Might, Hector Santos, Hoddle Monster, Dolphin 134. Hey, man, dude, is there anywhere I can apply for CX Network, dude? Kappa, Hedgier, Dolphin, Ice Besides moving, man. We know where he's moving, kind of. What's up, Pharaohs, Adam Walsh, True Stoner, Buns 420. Thanks again for that 2420, dude, out the gate. That's incredible, and I don't even know. I just can't believe it, man. I'm just going live to try to give the updates because, hey, man, I freaking love y'all. And I don't like not streaming like for 24 hours. It's tough, man. It's been real tough today to not even be able, especially on a day like this where I'm not even able to produce any content. It just makes me sad in pants, okay? What's up, Mad Carl? Julia. What's up, Bradford? Sean Hunter. Thanks again, man. Mad Carl. Jules 626. MK, dude, isn't it late for me? It's super late. It's like it's 1 a.m. for me, dude. Okay, so I shouldn't even be here. What's up, Dirty Fergie? Roberto Santiago. Mr. Tic Tac Crypto. When Mitch doesn't do TA price jumps. Oh yeah, is that true, dude? Or is that just coincidence? What's up, Slim Shady, dude? Can I get a sound check? Make sure my audio is good. I don't want to be too loud, man. What's up, Third Eye Trader, man? JR. Dude, y'all are amazing. Thank y'all for being here. Okay, it's so late, and I really appreciate it. Alright. Thank y'all just watching. What's up, Toshi Blue? Martin S. Dustin Wiss is loud and clear. Awesome, dude. That's really cool. I appreciate it, man. And give me some video stuff. Now, the webcam's going to be scuffed and scrubby, but at least maybe like over here, it's not as bad. Like it's decent, right? Hopefully. Decent picture. What's up, Ed? Yeah, super scuffed. I know, man. I know. I don't think so, Mr. Prick. I'm not perfect. No one's perfect, of course, right? 600. Oh, I'm not Batman, dude. Okay, I'm not Batman. Stream is fine. All right, thank you, Dan, man. Appreciate that. Sorry, man. I'm trying to get through all the chat. All right, man. My bad, dude. Billy Langford's in the house, man. Mr. Crypto Meme likes reading. Good, dude. Good. David, Bella, Toy, and Bitches, thank y'all for being here. Oh my god. The crazy NBA fourth overtime game. Oh my god, dude. Sounds insane, man. More insane than this stream, I'm sure, right? Well, my stream. Just, you know, the content. Holy crap, man. I just can't do it. I can't get to all the chat, man. It's 2 a.m. in Miami. Yeah, dude. It's super late, dude. Hey, Funny Mooners! Crap, I can't read that. Hold on. A skunk sat on a stump, and thunk the stump stunk. But the stump thunk the skunk stunk. Do you hear that, chat? The Funny Mooners has just destroyed all your minds. What you thought you knew about skunks and stumps has been obliterated, but he has broken you down so you can be born again as a skunk stumper, alright? Or something, right? Funny Mooners? Back me up on that, okay? Thanks, dude. 7 a.m. in Scotland. That's right, brother, man. Been a long night. Yeah, the long night, right? But almost 300% gains in the last 24 hours has made it well worth it. Well, Vic Robertson, congratulations, man, on all your sick, fat, stupid gains, man. What's up, Ed, bro, man? It makes sense to pull back. Yeah, dude, of course, right? And it's just like such a good area. Can y'all see that? Dude, I'm going to get like water or something again, man. That's getting Rec Connect. Sorry, y'all. Dude, I'm about to get water, man. It's getting the stuff, dude. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely going to happen, alright? So y'all don't be mad at me that I have to go get... Don't I have water? Hold on. I think I have water in here, dude. Give me some. Okay, alright, I'm sorry about that. I'm back. Okay, man, so, this was Tether. Remember, I have not, even here, I didn't even, when I turned my laptop on, I didn't even, like, look at charts. I didn't even scan charts before I started streaming. I was just like, let me get the stream set up and I'm going. Alright, so I have not looked at any, I have not been able to physically look at any charts on any computer today. All I've been able to look at is like my phone, and it's like all messed up because the scaling here is like on my phone too. So like I get to see this much of my chart because of this option. Alright, so let's look at Coinbase. You know what? I want to look at Bitfinex, dude. Stupid Bitfinex. How nuts did it get today? Not too bad. 6,000. Summon LeBron.
From the dark parameters of 589 come the massive chains of the crypto abyss, coming to the fruition of the realization that only comes with complete consciousness. Meditating on Sid Barrett, you become Sid. It's massive to just be water.
Be water, be butt, be Kangs, be peasants, be Lambo, be cardboard bots, be Honda Civic, be it all, dude. Be one with it all. Thanks, Simon LeBon. I'm sure Simon LeBon was part of some band called the What's Going Down episode of That's My Mama. Okay, thanks so much, That's My Mama, dude, for the 589 Kings. Much love, all right? So, all right, just looking at the Bitcoin to Bitfinex, Bitcoin to US dollar on Bitfinex. All right, exceeded. Dude, we got as high as $61.98, pretty much $6,200 high to low. We actually exceeded the 16185 extended. Okay, things are catching up with each other a little bit, right? So from all these highs to lows, we're all hitting these golden mean ratios. We bullishly engulfed, and now we're bearishly harambeing with an hour and 52 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. All right, man. Crazy. Daily. We had the divergence. It seems like we might have invalidated it. Yep. To some extent. Yes, we did. Look, sorry, not valid. And this is the stuff we talked about, right? It's like, dude, what do we even do? Which one do we even pick, man? Look at this daily. Holy crap. Hey, you could be setting up for an inverted hammer or just a bearish hammer. Okay, obviously you want red hammers, but a green hammer is good too, but we have so much time left. But that's a lot of rejection up here, man. A lot of rejection. And dude, guess what? 6230 is an 88.6% retrace from that November 7th high to the December 15th, 2018 low, right? You've retraced almost 88.6% of the way. Dude, that's great. On the Bitfinex chart, look what's happened. We've broken through, and of course, this is not confirmed. Okay, daily time scale. You need many daily closes for confirmation. But for now, as it stands, we broke the June 29th area of resistance. We broke the August 14th area of resistance, and look where we are. We're running up, hitting that 6200 area, which is very, very powerful levels of resistance. Okay, just to add another horizontal line resistance, man, is not going to be easy. It's almost going to be impossible to break that, especially after such an extremely large impulse up. We talked about these flags, man. They can go either way, can't they? Either effing way. And there you have it. Square up price is probably around 64.51. I mean, that's like right where the dump began. So whales trying to get back to that area. Again, 64.27. We've discussed that briefly before, but for now, just hitting these horizontal line resistance is incredible, man. Bitfinex chart, insane in the membrane, right? Just really nuts. Okay, let's go to cone base, and then we'll have the big three, the three kings, or something. Oh my God, it's so brilliant, man. It's so nice. It's so perfect. This is what I'm talking about, cone base. So nice, man. Why is this showing up, dude? This should be not showing up here. Go to the 4-hour real quick, see if it shows up. This should only show up here. Dude, come on. No daily. Alright, we'll go to the daily real quick. So it's a little bit clearer. Dude, this is so perfect, man. Respecting the TSO, respecting that trend line. Unlike Tether, unlike Bitfinex, this one is hitting this top upsloping resistance and rejecting it. Not only are you hitting the upsloping resistance, you're hitting the confluent horizontal line resistance that goes to where? It goes to the June 2018 high. Exactly. That was pretty much expected, right? We're up here and it's like, dude, I just don't know why you'd be stalling out and you wouldn't hit 5,800. If there's no formal resistance at 5,600, why in the living F would you not eventually hit 5,800? And we did. We've now hit it. And so now it's like the question is, can this continue? Can it continue, man? Guess what, dude? Guess what's happening on the Coinbase chart, on the daily on Coinbase? No leverage, no bullcrap. Oh yeah, triple RSI, bearish divergence. All right, you're showing divergence. You're making higher highs than your previous high. And though there was negative momentum here, there's now slight amounts of positive momentum just because you went from negative momentum to almost inexistent, pathetic levels of positive momentum. If you look at the impulse before that, huge amounts of positive momentum that is not bullish at all. This is very trashy, scrubby daily stuff on the oscillators. Okay, not good. So it's asking for a pullback. It would make all the sense in the world. History is telling us that we pull back at this area, right? And who cares? Who cares, man? Let's go to the 4 hour. No, dude, we must be kangs now. We must be kangs in 5 seconds, or else I will destroy you. Thanks for the threats, man. All right, beautiful amounts of bullish convergence. There was an ever so slight amount of 4 hour bearish divergence where you made a high on price and a slightly high on price, and you made lower levels of relative strength while being extremely overbought at 80 on the RSI. All right, so there you go, man. I was talking about patrons, well, I was trying to anyway, like, oh, I'm on my phone trying to screenshot stuff. Oh, a scuffed looking rising 3 methods continuation. Well, that didn't really play out, did it? Not yet. I don't know how it is going to play out, dude. You're hitting the X, A, B, C, 1, 2, 7, 2 fib extension. Same stuff, man. 382, 618, 886. The same stuff as the tether chart. I guess we'll just do it here for the sake of, look, I mean, it's the same thing. X, A, B, C, D, 1272, 1272. So I think Bitfinex is all screwed because of the tether stuff, and it's hitting a much higher fib extension, right? So if this was the case, if this was the top, oh, I got a fib. Like if we were to top out here, I'm just saying, and I don't know, I have no idea. First target would be 55, 58. Do you remember there's triple RSI bearish divergence on the daily time scale. These prices at a critical resistance point looking left back from June of 2018. Remember, those are coinciding variables. Just saying. At a 1272 for the extension. And on this chart, last time we hit it, we dumped hard. So 886 or 786. 786 seems like probably the best bet because it's, again, within the parameters of the upsloping channel. All right, so this is how one could look at this on Coinbase. All right, that's it, man. Just look at the big three bunch. We've just been looking at Bitcoin. Okay, man. Oh my God. Sorry, y'all. Dude, this like I feel like, oh my God, I'm so tired, man. I'm so dead. Yeah, dude, y'all like the Planet Earth quality stream, man? It's like you can see my nose hairs. The quality's so good, dude. You want to see those? I'm gonna look at some chat real quick. So Christian. Hey Alex, man, thanks for being here. Kiki, what's up, dude? Water Connect Alfonso. Yeah, dude, Alfonso Connect. What's up, Reggie? Reggie says, I'm not a trade analyst, but I did stay at a Holiday Inn Express last night. Get wrecked. Get wrecked. So Mr. Crypto meme. Duran, Mitch. We're talking about Duran, dude. Duran, Shmaron. Okay. They should name a coin after me. Call it Mitch Ray coin. Dude, we have Mitch Ray coin, dude. There is a Mitch Ray TA coin. MRTA. What's up, Don Jones? You say, is this a couple handle? I don't think so, man. I wouldn't look at it like that. But it's okay, man. People interpret things different ways, right? Chat forgot price action. What about Bitcoin dominance? I don't know. I'll look at it, but I'm sure it's gone up even more, right? Which is cool, man. No big deal, right? Sorry, I'm trying to catch up with the chat, all right? 24 or 25 more likes for 100 for Side Girl. Oh my God, dude. Yeah, right. They have fun trying to do fireworks. Oh, I actually have them on this laptop, dude. Oh my God. What's up, Ben C, man? What laptop am I streaming from? It's the Republic of Gamers Zephyrus. It's like one of the best laptops money can buy, pretty much. You want some Katy Perry fireworks? All right, dude. We'll make it happen, okay? When you say confluence, does that mean horizontal support resistance? Kevin Taft, man, confluence is the pure definitive term is the meeting or the crossing of two rivers, right? Where a river and a river cross, right? So anytime on the charts, when we get some sort of upsloping resistance of a channel we're in, and then we look left, and there's a horizontal line resistance back from a much deeper time scale, right? When we have, dude, this is so slanted and scuffed. So one horizontal line resistance, but then we have one upsloping resistance here, right? And our price action's touching that. That's a confluence area, okay? But that's a simple form, and there's ways to do confluence with Fibonacci by using different swing highs or different swing lows and the same swing high, swing low area. Okay, it's kind of complicated, really tough to educate on the laptop. I mean, I can show it, but just trying to be simple here, man, on this most scuffed stream of history of this show, okay? And I'm talking history of my tenure streaming. Oh my god, man, sorry, it's tough. Chase, you're up 2K. Should you take profit and buy on the retrace? Well, dude, I'll tell you, anytime you're at a 1618, 1272 critical overhead resistance areas looking left, it's always good to take profit in a trader's market like this one. Very much a trader's market, okay? David Miller, you think I'll hit 7K subs tomorrow? I doubt it, man. I doubt it. I'm just not, like, I'm not able. I'm gonna be gone. Like, I won't even be able to stream probably or do any content creation till tomorrow night late again. Because I'll finally be back home, but it'll just be super late. So I doubt it. I doubt I'll have 7K subs by then. Julia, actually, the strongest cup and handles are when the right side of the cup is a little bit higher before the retrace. So yeah, the same is good, but the most reliable ones are where the right side of the cup's just a tidbit higher before the retrace, and the pathetic weak ones, almost not even real ones, are the ones that don't meet that top looking left, the left part of the cup. They're pretty much not even I don't even consider them real cup with handles unless they match minimum that left side of the cup. Okay, on the cup with handle, potential cup with handle. Okay, what's up, Renee? Joffrey, hello, man. Using my sexy voice, man. Okay, dude. Using really sexy, man. I don't think so, dude. I have to be really quiet, man. And it's sad because my voice is like naturally loud as F anyway. I don't want to. I don't even know if I think they might be able to hear me. Like, I don't know, dude. It's really bad. Thanks, Chase Martin, dude. Why are the alts still not pumping, dude, Christian? Because it's Bitcoin's time, man. It's Bitcoin, not the alts. The alts, you had 2.5 months to 3 months to trade altcoins unmolested, okay? And I say that definitively, not in a weird way, okay? Any tip to spot harmonic patterns? Yeah, Master Fibonacci, Jose. Master Fibonacci. That's the best way, dude. If you ask me, make it to where Fibonacci to you is like breathing. Oh, I'm driving. Oh, I'm breathing. I'm Fibonacciing. Okay? That's it, dude. Okay, man. Thanks. Dude, I don't know, Reggie, man. Don't worry about Adam. Adam's an S coin. Alright, I'm going again. I have not looked at charts all day, so just don't get mad at me, man. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, it was so nice, man. It's so nice. Ethereum, US dollar, man. Try not to move much because my microphone's like all up on my body, dude. Oh my god. Okay. I feel like a wounded Revolutionary War infantryman, okay, man? Just laying in. I'm like, I'm bedridden. I can't move, man. I've been fighting so long, man. Okay, so, huge upsloping channel. The reiteration of the analysis, the bearish crab played out like to Jesus, man. Hit the 618 before bouncing, and then kind of having a higher low double bottom bounce off the 25% trend line of the equities channel. And as you see, once we plotted this, we said there's a good possibility we'll run up and we will hit areas. So the 886 for Ethereum is at 174, but how in the living F are you going to get there? Because critical thinking tells us there's a downsloping resistance, right? Downsloping resistance. And we got very extremely, almost did touch it, very close. What target did we talk about, man? You know what we talked about between 168 and 170. Talked about it over and over and over again. And guess what, man? As of today, we hit $168.78, man. What do you even want anymore, man? And we've begun to sell off a little bit, have we not? Yes, we have, man. All right. We exceeded the 200 moving average briefly for some time, but it couldn't last. And here you are bouncing off the 20 moving average. Let's see if we can get higher. It would be great. It'd be tremendous. But look what happened. High on price, higher high on price, lower levels of positive momentum. So we have a little bit of bearish divergence, man. Okay. On the MACD, there it was. Boom. I wonder if we're done. I don't know. I just don't know, man. So what we would expect in time is like whenever we do decide to sell off, whenever C to D's wave ends, we would expect lower prices. Hopefully we get a lower low and eventually we could take an entry, and it might take us until late mid-June, or I'm sorry, May, to get to that area. If just the hypothetical, we made it down here at this time, $138. Okay, 88.6% retrace, dude. Come on, dude. Just beautiful, man. It's reading a little bit higher. Oh my god, man. I'm a South Park actor? I don't think so, Bart, man. I should sleep, Verilu? Yeah, maybe I should, dude. I probably really should. I gotta wake up so early, dude. So early. There you go, XRP, man. Awesome, dude. Do I think BNB is going to sell off for the next month? Dude, that's so speculative. That's like, hey, man, can you look in your crystal ball and tell me, dude? I can't. No one can tell you if you're going to sell off for like a month. All right, for the next 30 days, yes, we're going to sell off. Okay, so. What pattern you want, frame, dude? Which one you want, homie, dude? It's so beautiful. It's so sexual. It's so nice. All right, let's go to XRP. Oh, XRP. Everyone's talking about it, Kappa. Oh, boy, man. What a living meme, dude. This is it. Bitcoin making the highest highs it's made since November 2018, and Ripple's just... I'm sorry, it's like the Spider-Man meme. It's like... all these assets to the US dollar are like doing well, and then Ripple's just here invading. Okay, it's just like, ugh. Okay, it kind of broke out of the downsloping resistance, didn't it? Kind of broke it, but did nothing with what it was given, because overwhelming levels of resistance on the way up. Look at this is the 200 moving average, man. Again, 200 moving average, you hit it, you fail like a scrub, dude. Stupid amounts of bearish convergence. Oh, it's so bad, dude. This is so bad, because like, say Bitcoin, like we're talking about, it's showing signs of weakness at critical areas, right? And then if you've got like XRP kind of double topping here, or like making a technical lower candle close high than the previous high, with this, though it is not technically bearish divergence because it's a technical lower high, previous high, it is extreme amounts of bearish convergence. Okay, so it's real gnarly, man. This is super gnarly. Look, you got bearish convergence on the RSI too. It's really just not good. It's not what you're looking for. All right, but hey, nice that you're holding strong. Look, you pivoted, you ran again, but this is all you could get after seeing Bitcoin hit 5,800, 5,900 on Bitfinex, dude. Just like, that's it, dude. That's all you got, man. So you're in the golden zone between 382 and 618. You've hit it. You actually hit near the 50% retrace. It's just ridiculous, man. It's like crazy. Oh, man. Oh yeah, 6K coming, man. Okay. I don't even know, Julia. I'm just here chilling, trying to listen to a little bit of Tycho in the background. It's so quiet. Yeah, Kevin, dude, this slow bleeding forever, man. Okay. Does my host know I have 200 people in here? Hager, I don't think so. Are there really even 200 people? I figured we'd have a really low turnout tonight just because it's so late. Dude, thanks for the 200 people here. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit the like button, that bell, that sub. I am in a foreign place, just streaming the most scuffed stream ever. All right, really appreciate each and every one of you being here as we all revel in the majestic Bitcoin rally that's been going and going and going for months now. Dude, it hadn't stopped, man. The 786, the bullish Gartley, the falling wedge, the Adam and Eve double bottom, man. All of those things. And that was it, man. Little did we know that what we were so convinced on, our conviction was so strong at that area because of the overwhelming amounts of coinciding variables. That is what set us free. The Gartley is what ushered in the bull's run that broke us out of the downsloping equidistant channel, and then we back tested it with bullish divergence, and then we were gone, and that was all she wrote, dude. Here we are, making very higher highs. Hugh Ty, man, thank you for the $2 super chat, man. Really appreciate that, bruh. Okay. Oh yeah, fireworks. Let me try this, dude. I'm gonna try. Dude, I have fireworks. They're scrub fireworks. No, they're so bad. Look at these scuffed fireworks, baby. They're so bad, dude. Yeah. Are we cool, chat? With the fireworks? Pop and I, Shelly. Thanks, man. Can I explain 1618 mentioned in the Discord? Velaroo, have you not seen my Fibonacci video? You need to go check it out, man. Please go watch my Fibonacci education video if you haven't, man. Because the 1618 becomes abundantly clear to ye. It is the golden mean ratio. It is in math, science, everywhere. It is in galaxies. It is in our oceans. It's everywhere, man. It's just a Fibonacci sequential, man. I don't know, man. Is my brain fried? I think my brain's fried from just being up for so long today and like just, oh, it's just so much stuff, man. So much stuff. I'm like dead, but I'm just so happy to be here with y'all. The 1618 what is that? Fibonacci. Yeah, give me your Fibonacci's, dude. Someone make that a meme, dude. Julia, I'm sorry. I can't hear you over my scuffed fireworks that are already going off right now. Thanks. Okay. What is it? Put your moon in the cardboard box. Do it, dude. Hey, Julia. I'm sorry, Alex. That's Montana's trademark. You don't be saying that, alright? Don't you say that. Okay. Cardano Connect still struggling. Still having issues, but it seems kind of promising, right? Low, lower low. Now higher lows? And we've broken out. We broke the downslope resistance, it seems. But, dude, you're really, really struggling here, man. Why can we not break these chains? The way you have to think about it, if these things have not lifted off yet, there is a really good chance they might not, for a while at least, because, dude, these things, you know how hardcore they respond to Bitcoin breaking down the US dollar pairs, right? So, like, if after what Bitcoin did, so majestic, so nice, so many percentage gains, right? After all that, you're looking at these tether pairs, these two US dollar tether pairs, and they've done nothing, man. Not good, man. And really not good. Not for them, because guess what happens? They are not guaranteed to get wrecked or they are not guaranteed to run up tremendously when Bitcoin runs up tremendously, as we see right now. But they're almost guaranteed to get wrecked when Bitcoin decides to sell off. It's almost a guarantee. Like, Bitcoin starts dumping at the 1618 where we are, kind of 1272, depending on what exchange. These things are going to sell off too, man. So just remember that. Hey, Litecoin's up like 7-8%, right? It ran with the bulls. 88 did not. So that's not really great, right? You would expect them to do things with Bitcoin. All right, so no good. Julie, I'm sorry you missed last night. It was so lit. Jeez. I need a hot nurse or someone dressed in a nurse uniform to make me feel better. Yeah, Willie, I feel good, man. I'm just kind of tired, man. I feel great. But yeah, sponge bath by a hot nurse would be... I'm not gonna stop that hot nurse from giving me a sponge bath in a bed while I stream. But it might not be safe for children. Okay, that's it. That's all it is. To expect to break over the range. What are you talking about? Smaller time scales. It's so vague of a run. And which one? Whew, holy crap, man. Can you hear me, chat? Okay, man. I feel like the World of Warcraft guy from my angle. Mom, bathroom. Bathroom. Bye bye, Litecoin. See ya. Bye bye. Okay. Have I lost my mind? Hey, remember we did oh my god, if you'd have taken the trade that I made, remember last night, who was it that asked me, hey dude, is there any way to trade this? And we said, here's what I can do. This is all I can do to help. Look, I didn't do the measure move, but we talked about the 50% retrace. 82.36. We got as high as 81.52. Not too far off, right? Hey, you hit the 382 for real though. The candle closes. There was no real candle close above the 382. And look what's happening. You're bearishly engulfing right now on a 4-hour time scale, dude. Tremendous amounts of rejection at the 200 moving average, at the 38% retrace. Again, the beginning of the golden zone. Whoa, whoa, dude. Do you see this? It's like a rave party, dude. High to low. 38% retrace. 60% retrace. So we are reversing our price action as it seems right now. Somewhat, man, after a move up. Not bad, dude. Not friggin' bad. Close as F. I think you definitely in that week you hit a measure move for bull pull, bull flag. That's it, dude. Handles up, down slipping consolidation. That's when you start getting happy. You start doing the happy dance. When you see an impulse and down slipping consolidation, especially on a breakout of a bullish Gartley, on a breakout of a falling wedge. Okay, if you were trading the bullish Gartley, the first target's been acquired, right? That's it. One would have taken profit on the 382, 62% retrace, and then the 88.6% retrace up at 566 or whatever. Okay, so Litecoin Connect, wonderful, man, beautiful. Gotta love it. Sponge bath and fireworks. Yeah, dude. Oh my god. So toy motto, man. Toy tomato. Sorry. What was you, Samsara? Hey, what's up, gang? Logan, man. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm here, dude. I'm just kind of like trying to be as quiet as possible, man. It's tough. What, did I go to raves? No, I did not go to a rave, dude, okay? Because I'd have streamed that, probably. Kappa. Chat, are y'all having a good night? Please let me know. Okay. Really appreciate y'all. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to sustain my streaming for the evening, dude. It's tough, dude. I don't even know how I made this happen tonight. Getting live. Getting on the line, okay. I'm gonna die tomorrow. Yeah, maybe so, dude. Whoa, dude, so back. So backed up. Wow. Behind is F. Oh my god. Dude, Charles Anderson, man, I'll look again for your name, but like last time I looked for like 10 minutes and couldn't find you, man. Alright. And I hate looking through that because there's so many N-words and messed up names in that banned list, dude. It's like trying to unban somebody is not easy, nor is it fun for me. Okay, so I'll get it taken care of. So Sin City, I'll just look for that next time because there was no Charles Anderson. Alright. I don't know. Schlosker, man, you're asking me when you should get back in on this? Hey, how much you wait for some pattern development? Dude, we got none. We did a miniature bull flag. We've broken out of the downsloping structure, and we could go much higher, but right now, dude, you're just at a profit-taking level, it seems, right? I mean, that's a 382 retrace. That's like standard profit-taking levels for a lot of people, and so like they're doing it and they're rejecting, so you sell off a little bit. I don't know how far it goes on the retrace if we run again. It's really dependent on Bitcoin. Okay, that's it. Whatever, man. All right, the sweet dude. Sure thing, Alex, man. Y'all amazing. Thanks, Julia. Thanks, Julia. Maxie, would you consider me leaving flaking? I don't think that's the word, dude. Reggie, I don't think so, man. I mean, am I gonna go out to a Dead and Company show in Charlotte, North Carolina? I don't know, man. I'm just hanging out. I'm just enjoying life down here in Greenbow or south of Greenbow. Whatever, man. You also want to watch me stream or watch me sleep? I'll just like do a sleeping stream, Kappa. Okay. Dude, so many like BTC pairs got destroyed. That's like one thing I do know. It's so funny, man. Oh, the stock market like rebounded today too. It's so funny. Dude, DGD's up like 6% almost. Oh, dude, how much is up? Dude, the Bitcoin futures chart is at 57.15 right now. Oh my god, this is the futures chart, and it's like closed now until I think Monday or Sunday night or whatever. Dude, it's a beautiful future chart, right? Oh my god, dude. I'm telling you, this type of stuff doesn't end well, alright? It just seldom ends well. Like, eventually it'll like sell off, and then it'll make a lower high, and then it'll dump, and then it'll make major retraces so far down from a low to eventual high when it like 1, 2, 3, the rule of three. The rule of three is now real. Okay. There's no divergence up here though. That's what's nuts, dude. Like it's like impulse up, down, sloping consolidation. What do we run again? Thing is though, you could run again and hit like 5,900 or whatever up here, and you could show like maybe some extreme divergence after the, you know, like hopefully we could just consolidate, reset the oscillators, and then run again, and then you're gonna make lower levels of whatever of relative strength or momentum. Oh yeah. Alright, Schlosker, we'll see what happens, man. Good, man. Kevin Terry, I'm glad to hear that you enjoy Cobra Kai, man. It's a really good show. I mean, it's kind of corny in a lot of ways because they're trying to appeal to a huge audience, like from kids to adults, so that can be tough, but I think they did a real good job. Marjorie, the future's now. That's right, dude. The future's here. Alright, let's see, man. Dude, I've been live for an hour now. Like 1 hour on the dot. Please, if you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that's up. Via, man, thank you so much for the 1976 super chat.
Thanks for all the time and effort you put into this channel, Mitch. Your TA is the best on YouTube. Good night, traders.
Dude, Via, man, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that, and appreciate the contribution. But man, I really appreciate the kind words, dude. That means a lot, man. I mean, it's like humbling to say that I'm the best on YouTube, but no one's truly the best, man. No one's really ever the best. It's just people just got different styles, man. They got their own ways. Okay, so I mean, I wouldn't consider myself the best. I would just consider myself a little different in terms of just like, I don't know, education and fun and memes, and it's just different, dude. It's not better. It's just, you get it right. Thank you, man. It's very cool to hear someone say that. Okay, especially via TTS is awesome, man. Thank you. Y'all are incredible, man. Seriously. Going back to Coinbase. All right, man. Here we are. Remember where we are on this chart with the 1272, the 1272 on Coinbase, the reasonable rational chart. Okay, this one's being rational here. We're at the top of the channel. The only issue, the thing I don't like about this, the one thing I hate about this is there's just very little help on your oscillators. That's it. On the 4 hour, let's look at the daily on Coinbase. Oh yeah, that's right. Hey, yeah, dude, you are showing triple RSI bearish divergence at a critical area of resistance. That's very real, man. Very, very, very real. So remember the rule of 3 with really low levels, almost inexistent levels of positive momentum on the highest highs we've made since November of 2018. And also highs on price, higher highs on price, the highest high on price, and lower levels of relative strength every single time now. Okay, so please keep in mind where we are. We're also rejecting prices from June of 2018, so we have a multitude of coinciding variables on the daily, on the Bitcoin to US dollar chart on Coinbase. All right, that is real. So if the price drops this weekend or Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, you can't be mad about it, because like we're talking about it in our most scuffed stream of all time. We're talking about it right now. What's going on with daily time scale indicators. Okay, that's it, man. Thanks again, Vic, man. Really, Vic, I thought I said VO. My bad, dude. I'm sorry. I really apologize. Crap, man. Sorry. Daily divergence. Blank, man. Yeah, daily divergence. No, I don't. I do not, Zach. I do not. Really appreciate it, Vic, man. Bitcoin Patrick and the HODL Train homies all in, dude. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, y'all. So been live officially 1 hour and 3 minutes. Yeah, I'm a little tired, Orlando, man. I also have to be really quiet because other people are trying to sleep in this house right next to me. Kind of. Other room. Crap, man. How do I even do this? Okay. So what I'll do is just leave you fantastic people with a little bit of Tycho. So, dude, let me do a rundown real quick. Dude, Vic again, man. Thank you so much for that 1976 super chat. Hugh Tai, Simon Liban, Funny Mooners, Sean Hunter, dude, GXRP, Greg Morgan, GXRP again, man. Crypto Cocktail, Chris, man, thank you, dude. And Dan and Melissa, thank you all for the contributions tonight. I can't even believe it. I don't feel like I even deserve it, man. I'm just coming live to say hey to y'all and to give you an update on where I'm at, dude. And it's not at home. All right, so thanks so much for everything. I freaking love y'all. And I'll be back tomorrow sometime, but probably definitely not in the day. There's just no physical way, man. So I'll be back before you know it. So until next time, respect the tea.
Good or good? Good and terrible. Any else turd nuggets?